If you are looking for a little bit of treatment for yourself, either temporary or permanent, there are plenty of options here in Las Vegas. But do you really know who you're dealing with? Well, today I wanted to introduce you to a board-certified plastic surgeon who's been doing this for 25 years. And yeah, before you say anything, yeah, I know I need some work, but I was born with this face, all right? So, Dr. Shah, signature plastic surgery. I mean, you step through the door here, you already feel like you're going to be well taken care of. This foyer is more opulent and beautiful than a lot of places I've been to in my life. So, clearly, this is high quality, high class operation you're running here.
Well, you know, at Signature Plastic Surgery, we've been in practice since 2008, and we've taken care of so many patients. And we want to, first of all, the most important thing, as you said, when they walk in, they want to feel comfortable. And then once they're comfortable, they come in, they see the doctor, they see the staff, and that really gets them our trust to do what we need to do for them to make them look as good as they can.
Right.
Obviously, we're a plastic surgery with a med spa. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon practicing for over 25 years. I think we would like to have that environment for someone that we're going to take care of and trust their life with us, and we want to make sure that we can do as best as we can for that.
But talking plastic surgery, I mean, there are multitudes of different things that people can get for procedures to make themselves feel better about themselves, to take care of issues that may be bothering them. What kind of things do you offer here?
Yeah, so we offer a wide variety of procedures. We have the BBL, Brazilian butt lift. Who doesn't want to have an hourglass look, you know, get ready for the summer?
It's something I've always dreamed of.
Yeah, exactly. Liposuction, tummy tuck. We also do a lot of body makeovers, you know, women who have had their children and now, you know, having the process of having the children, their body looks different than what they started off with. Now they want to go back to what they look like. So just when they come to us and we help them with breast enhancement, we also do facelifts. We do male gynecomastia surgeries. So there's a whole lot of different surgeries that we offer for the patients. And along with that, we also have a med spa where we do the injectables such as neurotoxins, fillers. We also offer laser services, CO2 laser for scars, acne scars, subcisions. And then we have estheticians that offer the laser hair removal, IPL treatments. So, you know, we offer a lot of different treatment options, therapy.
A number of people obviously think about surgery. They may want to have a procedure, but they're a little bit worried. They're worried about going under the knife and under anesthesia, but you offer a number of procedures where the patient will be awake and there's local anesthetic.
Yeah, absolutely. So the nice thing about these procedures, a lot of these procedures can be done under local anesthesia. So where we just inject local anesthesia to the areas that we're going to operate on, we could do tumescent liposuction in the office. And those patients who are very anxious, we do offer something called Pronox, which is a nitrous oxide base to help them relax. And then we can do the procedure under local anesthesia. So it is great for those people who are not candidate for general anesthesia because of medical conditions, those people who are afraid to undergo general anesthesia because of the risks. So this is ideal, and we do facelifts under local anesthesia, we do liposuction, we do scar revisions. So a lot of procedures can be performed under local anesthesia. So obviously, you know, we do discuss that when they come in during that consultation because it's important.
Yeah, I'm sure there are a number of people who are watching at home who may have considered getting a procedure done, may not know where to start, or may be concerned that things might be out of their price range, or you know, that they might not have time for recovery. There are a number of different things, a number of different ways, and you've mentioned that people can take care of themselves. It doesn't have to be a surgery that requires, you know, like 12 hours. There are things that can happen while they're awake during this day, but also it's the post-operative care that you guys also handle as well, right? They make people feel comfortable stepping through the front door.
Yeah, absolutely. So our job is not completed as soon as we finish the surgery. Our job still continues. We have to follow up with them. We see them multiple times, as many times as it needs to be seen. And we make sure that they are all recovered completely and back to work and normal.
Where do our viewers need to go for more information on how to contact you and find out what procedures might work for them?
Absolutely. So, you know, Signature Plastic Surgery, we're in Las Vegas since 2008. Our phone number is 702-684-5502. Our website is signatureplasticsurgery.net. And complimentary consultations for cosmetic procedures, please call us.
Board-certified plastic surgeon, and he knows all the details for his business too. this brain. Huge. Amazing.